Welcome to the King County Multifamily Residential Parking Calculator. This tool will allow you to calculate the estimated number of parking spaces used per apartment unit, or parking per unit ratios, for multifamily developments in urbanized areas of King County. These estimates are based on a statistical model using local parking data collected in 2012. The colored map displays parking per unit ratios from green, representing fewer parking spaces per apartment unit, to red, representing more parking spaces per apartment unit. This estimate is based on an average multifamily building that can be adjusted in the Building and Parking Specifications tab. More on that later. In order to use the calculator, you will first need to find a location of interest. There are 3 different ways to do this. Type an address or intersection into the search box. Use the Select Area drop-down menu to choose a city or neighborhood, or manually pan and zoom in on a location using the map tools. If you are using the map to locate a specific parcel or area, be sure to zoom in until the selection tools at the top of the screen become active. You can then click on the Select button and choose the parcel for your calculation. Note that it is possible to select multiple parcels, merge parcels together by turning on the Merge function using the button at the top of the screen, or to draw your own boundaries to select a custom area. Once you have selected a location, you will see the parking per unit ratio and the number of parcels selected appear in the purple box. For more information, click the down arrow at the top of the screen for detailed parcel and model performance, or click the up arrow at the bottom of the screen for census and trip generation estimates. You can also download data on selected parcels using the download icon. The next step is to adjust the input assumptions. The Building and Parking Specifications tab shows the default values generated by the calculator for your selection. You can modify any of these values to better reflect your building scenario. For example, you might want to change the monthly parking price or adjust the unit mix. Once you're done, click Update to view the associated change in parking per unit estimate. Click Reset to restore the default values. The Location Characteristics tab shows the population, employment, and transit service characteristics of your selection. These values can be adjusted by dragging the toggle bars up or down to reflect a future change. Be sure to click on the Update button to see changes in the parking per unit estimate. The Parking Impacts tab will show you the number of stalls based on the estimated parking use ratio, as well as the construction costs, estimated annual vehicle miles traveled, and the greenhouse gas emissions that would result from that supply. You can enter a comparative parking use ratio value to compare with the estimated calculator results. For more help using the calculator, click on the question mark icon for instructions, click on the info icons for pop-up definitions, and explore the About This Site tab for background, glossary, and technical information. We hope you find this tool informative and useful. Please feel free to contact King County Metro with questions or feedback, and thank you for using the King County Multifamily Residential Parking Calculator.